we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty hand truck. List number 1. COSCO 12222 BGU E-Shifter Heavy-Duty Folding Hand Truck. Whether you are moving boxes or unloading the car, simply unfold the COSCO shifter and let this lightweight hand truck do all your heavy lifting. The shifter easily converts from its flat storage position to a 2-wheel upright hand truck or 4-wheel cart with no pins or tools. The flat folding design makes it easy to store in a closet, the garage, or even the trunk of your car. List number 2. LEEYOUNG Dolly and Folding Hand Truck. The Dolly is constructed of aluminum alloy and is rated to hold up to 175 pounds. The included bungee cord secures the load to the Dolly. The large 4.9-inch rubber wheels make no noise and roll smoothly. The folding Dolly can be easily unfolded for use in seconds. Step 1. Pull out the handle. Step 2. Step on the nose plate and fold the truck. Step 3. Add the load and tilt the cart back to start moving. Assembly is not required. Pay attention to keep the balance of the trolley when using it. List number 3. Mounted Stair Climber Hand Truck. Whether it's hauling heavy cargo on stairs or bringing home the groceries, make transport easy with mounted folding stair climber hand truck. Designed with heavy-duty tri-wheels, this cart glides up and down easily on stairs, curbs, or any uneven surface. Ergonomic handles prevent awkward grips and back injury. Folds down easily without tools for easy transport and storage in vehicles, storage rooms, garages, etc. List number 4. Heavy-Duty Aluminum Hand Truck. This professional hand truck is for those that want the best of the best. It can handle jobs big and small without breaking a sweat. We design high-capacity moving supplies designed to reduce the number of trips you have to make per day, thus increasing productivity. This premium moving cart is made from industrial-grade aluminum that's strong but also lightweight. The convenient modular design means there are no welds to break if you need to replace a part. List number 5. VERGO Industrial S300L Heavy-Duty Folding Hand Truck. Made from a strong aluminum, the folding hand truck comes with 8 solid rubber wheels for maximum stability while in use. Handles up to 400 pounds. Fully assembled and ready to use upon delivery. Simply unfold the nose plate and use the red release button to extend the handle. Weighing in at just 26 pounds, the hand truck is great for use in the warehouse, moving between offices, campgrounds, event setup or catering. Easily haul luggage, boxes, groceries, water bottles, paperwork, potted plants, and much more.